Conn has been around for over 100 years, and we're in the furniture business. This DC, we ship out to over 10 stores. Ship out to Lubbock, Odessa, 3 stores here in El Paso, 3 stores in Albuquerque. And we just, we ship out furniture, we receive furniture. So we just keep the furniture moving in here. The size of the building is about 200,000 square feet. The lighting before the upgrade, we had just regular HIDs. Some of them wouldn't turn on and they were pretty loud. So usually when I worked in the morning, I would turn on the lights. It would be about 15 to 20 minutes before they went all the way on. They would turn on and you would hear the noise. They would start lighting up little by little, and then 20 minutes later, they'd be on. When one of the lights would go out, we knew right away that the ones next to it would go out. So it was just a constant fix this and then fix the other one, or if not, fix the whole row.
The project consisted of 448 high bays, 30 surface mount strips, about 15 wall packs, and 4 area lights. So originally the lighting here was 400 watt metal halide. I want to say at least 50% of it was out, if not dim.
Before, our lights weren't centered with our racks. FSG did us a favor and moved the lights, centering them to the rack. That way we're not wasting the light where it's not supposed to be. And that way the lights will actually turn on when the operators go into the aisle. So the lighting right now is much better than what we used to have. It's much brighter. The guys can actually see better. It's also better as far as saving money because not all the lights are always on. So the sensors pretty much they're motion detectors. They detect you. As soon as you walk anywhere near it, the lights will go on. And we know where the guys are at because the lights are on. They will stay on for about 15-20 minutes and then they'll dim to like maybe 50%. And then after I think about half an hour, they completely turn off.
That's a big old difference. Ever since we put in these LEDs, you can actually see where you're going. This install will definitely save money. You got the energy savings, right? The motion sensors and then LED. So you get like double energy savings. So our team working in a busy environment like this, a warehouse, you want to coordinate with Conn to make sure, is their merchandise in the way? We don't want to delay them. They might delay us if we're not prepared. So it just took a lot of coordination.
FSG did not set us back. They were pretty efficient. They were done within maybe a week or 2 weeks. And other than that, they weren't in the way. Everything was good. It's a big difference. Something so subtle as light will make a big difference in your warehouse.